Rich Graessle, icon. Sportswire, Getty Images. New England Patriots owner Robert Kraft prior to the National Football League game between the New England Patriots and the New York Jets on November 25, 2018 at MetLife Stadium in East Rutherford, NJ. Photo by Rich Graessle, icon. Sportswire via Getty Images. New England Patriots owner Robert Kraft has entered a not guilty plea to charges of soliciting prostitution at a Florida massage parlor, and also has hired a close friend of Supreme Court Justice Brett Kavanaugh as a lawyer in the case, court records show. Kraft's local lawyer, Jack Goldberger, also has requested a non-jury trial for 2 misdemeanor counts facing the 77-year-old billionaire in Palm Beach County Court, according to a filing there. The so-called bench trial that Kraft wants would have a judge acting as both judge and jury in his case. Goldberger is representing Kraft along with avid Patriots fan William Burke, a high-powered Washington, D.C. attorney who is a longtime friend of Kavanaugh's, with whom he worked in the White House during the administration of President George W. Bush. Last year, Burke was hired by Bush to lead a legal team that reviewed documents from his administration before they were released to the Senate committee reviewing Kavanaugh's nomination to the Supreme Court. Burke also represented President Donald Trump's former White House counsel, Don McGahn, in connection with special counsel Robert Mueller's ongoing probes, and crafted the controversial strategy of having McGahn spend more than 30 hours talking to Mueller's investigators. Kraft, a Trump friend whose professional football team won its 6th Super Bowl earlier this month, is accused of soliciting sexual services for pay on 2 consecutive days at the Orchids of Asia Day Spa, which is located in an unglamorous strip mall in Jupiter, Florida. His second alleged visit there, on January 20, occurred hours before he attended the AFC Championship game in Kansas City, Missouri, where the Patriots defeated the Chiefs. Kraft, who is a widower, was seen on an undercover surveillance video receiving sexual services, according to authorities, who have charged 24 other men in connection with the probe of the Orchids of Asia Spa. Police have been investigating possible human trafficking of the women who work there. Neither Kraft nor the other men charged in the case have been accused of human trafficking. The Patriots owner has a house not far from the spa, to which he was driven in different colored Bentleys during his separate visits, authorities have said. During his first visit, police claimed Kraft was massaged by 2 women. During his second visit, police claim just 1 woman was in the room with him. If convicted of the charges, Kraft faces up to 1 year in prison. He also faces a $5,000 fine, 100 hours of community service and attending a class on the dangers of human trafficking, all of which are mandatory. Kraft is now scheduled to be arraigned in the case on March 27. By entering a not guilty plea before then, he reportedly will not have to appear in person in court for that proceeding. Goldberger and Burke did not immediately respond to requests for comment from CNBC. After news of the charges against Kraft broke last week, a spokesman for him said, "We categorically deny that Mr. Kraft engaged in any illegal activity. Because it is a judicial matter, we will not be commenting further." On Monday, the National Football League said it will handle this allegation against Kraft in the same way we would handle any issue under the league's personal conduct policy. "We are seeking a full understanding of the facts, while ensuring that we do not interfere with an ongoing law enforcement investigation. We will take appropriate action as warranted based on the facts." The conduct policy mandates that owners, players and other employees refrain from conduct detrimental to the integrity of and public confidence in the NFL.